Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Caran Ecridor pen in the color silver. Now this is a very beautiful packaging. This red is just simply great. Yeah, there's not really anything other than the Caran logo, Geneva, the Swiss city. Now let's get this one out of the box. So the packaging itself is red, and then inside of it there is a black box. Yeah, then again here absolutely nothing, but what we can do is we can open it up. It's magnetic, and yeah, this is what the inside looks like. We can see here again the logo everywhere, also on the pen. There's a little strap where you can have the pen around, and then this is the pen itself. Standard silver pen, and then I believe underneath here you can take this leather thing away. The top is leather, great quality. You can take it away. There's this little red thing to pull it on, and inside here you can see a little booklet. What does it say? Owner's Guide, Book and International Guarantee Writing Instruments, and it's just a little about how they produce them, of the history, and in all various languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, German. Yeah, so you get this little booklet too. Few interesting pictures, and that is again the pen itself. Very interesting. Alright, I'm gonna store this back in here. And then let's have this back underneath the strap, and let's put it so it looks nice. Alright, well, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This was the unboxing of the Caran Ecridor pen in the color silver. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Subscribe to the channel, it's free. You can always unsubscribe, and don't forget to leave the video a like. Have a great day, and bye bye.